Yung mga hindi ko kakilala, mas hindi nakakilala kay Coach Jess, nakita kung gaano kalitaw yung kanyang 3-pointer from the outside. Meron din akong commentary doon na parang sinabi ko na parang tsamba lang.
We'll use the Pacheco screen. No. Pass to Coach Jess Evangelio. Ooh, turned up from downtown. Ayun! Grabe to si Coach Jess! Talagang parang tsamba tingnan, pero dito si Coach Jess, pinapracticean to niya.
Eric Dulay almost got punched. So, makita natin sa angle dito na, yun, medyo init na talaga yung laban. Talagang bakbakan na...
Yeah. It's the cross court. It's the cross. Yeah.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Jewel, Mr. Crosscourt himself. And right now, we will be talking about our recent experience sa Davao Chai Field Basketball Club Season 4. So, we have been given the opportunity to cover this league. And special shoutouts to Carlton and Jasper Lim for giving us the opportunity to cover their championship. So, maraming salamat and more power to your league. And hopefully, tingnan natin, tatawagin tayo balik. So, coming into the Adislawa Basketball Gym, talagang hindi ko lang ano i-expect. Kasi some of the players I know, some of the players I don't know. Pero talagang they gave us a treat, especially sa kanilang championship round. So, nag-start tayo with their gold division. With 73-65, Columbia Barracks has taken the championship for the gold division. So talagang napaka-exciting. We were there, kami ang nag-cover, and talagang every move, every basket, talagang mapapareact talaga ako. With Ken Villacorta, Ken Hustleman Villacorta, scoring 21 points and 5 rebounds. So ito si Ken Villacorta, legend to siya sa Ateneo de Davao, especially sa EA division. He has collected ring after ring. So I think na sa mga nakakilala rin sa kanya, alam mo na kung gaano siya ka-grit and grind when it comes to the paint. Talagang rebound after rebound, putback after putback. So when it comes to Ken Villacorta, talagang automatic to siya. And throughout the ball game, masasabi ko talaga na it was very competitive. The atmosphere was for a championship talaga. Para tayong nanood ng intrams ulit ni Ken Villacorta, wherein everybody was cheering and rooting for Columbia Barracks. Pero itong Davao Ball Supply talagang hindi rin nagpapatalo, knowing na sila yung champion ng Season 2. Pero ngayon, nandito na sila sa Gold Division. I think na very deserving yung pinakita nila na performance against Columbia Barracks. Talagang masasabi mo na pang championship worthy talaga. So until the final buzzer, they fought really hard. Pero still, Columbia Barracks came up on top. And Ken Villacorta winning the finals MVP. So congratulations to Columbia X Barracks, and tingnan natin kung makita natin sila ulit next season. And up next natin na game, so special shout outs to Coach Jess. So mga hindi nakakaalam, brother ko siya, so medyo in a way na bias kasi mas kilala ko yung mga players from under him rather than sa Arquitebo. Pero props pa rin masyado sa Arquitebo for putting up a good fight, lalo-lalo na their regular season MVP na si Mark Francisco. So this guy was dominant at the paint and talagang threat talaga siya against BLCT, and still he gave us a very outstanding performance, especially in the first quarter. And all throughout the ball game, it was the BLCT show. Talagang makita natin, especially sa mga pinost natin na highlights, names like Jess Evangelio, Paulo Dailisan, Eric Dulay. Talagang they went all out, with Paulo Dailisan winning the finals MVP with 30 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 steal. And may gusto pa akong pag-usapan. Again, special shoutout sa lahat ng mga supporters natin sa The Cross Court, lalo-lalo na sa mga nag-share sa highlight video ni Coach Jess. So, this guy has been practicing his 3-point floater or teardrop. So, ito si Coach Jess. Hindi talaga siya known as one of the elite 3-point shooters. Pero, he is known as one of the elite teardrop makers. So, I think the recent years, tinanggap niya na hindi talaga siya kasing shooter like Paulo Dailisan. Pero, dinevelop niya kanyang teardrop into a more lethal weapon na kaya rin niya i-extend kanyang range until the outside. So, I think currently up to 40K plus views na tayo sa kanyang viral video na puro teardrop. Mas yung mga hindi ko kakilala, mas yung hindi nakakilala kay Coach Jess, nakita kung gaano ka-lethal yung kanyang 3-pointer from the outside. Meron din akong commentary doon na parang sinabi ko na parang tsamba lang.
We'll use the Pacheco screen. No. Pass to Coach Jess Evangelio. Ooh, teardrop from downtown. Ayun! Grabe to si Coach Jess! Talagang parang tsamba tingnan, pero dito si Coach Jess, pinapraktisan to niya.
Parang tsamba lang talaga, pero ito si Coach Jess, pinapraktisan niya to. Mas shooter na siya sa akin. And I think he made at least 3 3-pointers, and those 3 3-pointers really were crucial, and it led for BLCT to have a run and, you know, winning it all. Gusto ko rin pag-usapan yung mga nangyari doon sa latter events, which is Eric Dulay almost got punched. So, makita natin sa angle dito na yun, medyo init na talaga yung laban. Talagang bakbakan na, and I think na medyo nag-iinitan lang talaga to the point na we sometimes lose our cool. Pero still, sportsmanship lang pa rin tayo, and we will be looking forward sa kanilang Season 5. Talagang babalik tong BLCT. Talagang itong Arquitefo magre-rest back against BLCT. And also, tingnan natin kung makakabalik din ang sa Diamond Division, which is led by Ken Villacorta as the finals MVP. And to end it all off, a special shoutouts to Mama's Boy. Wish I Were a Kid Again. So, ito yung bagong drop namin. We will be popping up sometime this August. So, a different color. Medyo green. If you want to avail this, just message Mama's Boy in their Instagram or Facebook page. So again, we'd like to give a special shoutouts to all the supporters of the Cross Court. Watch out for our corporate league sa Court Aces and all our vlogs for J Project, especially yung mga nagva-viral like kila VJ Tizon or JM Bonares. And again, please subscribe, follow, and keep supporting us para mapatuloy namin yung mga ganitong content. So to end this all off, we are the Cross Court, and so are you. Thank you.